Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So for today's video, we're going to be using my square extra short soft gel full nail covers. As always, these are available for purchase on my Etsy shop and the link to them will be down below. We're doing a really simple summer look today. We're doing bright pink nails. So to start off, you want to make sure that you size out your nails and just make sure that they fit wall to wall. This specific nail style has 12 different sizes, so you'll definitely be sure to find a size that works well for you. And for application, we're using a solid nail tip glue gel, and this one is also available for purchase in my Etsy shop. Definitely check it out, read the reviews. You guys rave about it and love it, and I'm so happy you do because I love this product just as much. It just makes the whole process of applying nails so much easier and so much faster. It's literally scoop and apply, and you get the hang of the amount the more and more you use it, but you just want to scoop out, like a pea-sized amount and apply it to your nails. It's super easy to use. It's a fully clear product, so it does cure fast, and you can see here I'm applying multiple nails at once, and that's just going to cut down the time that my hand is in and out of that UV lamp. So all around, it's really a great product. I absolutely love it, and as I said earlier, the link to this would be down below. You do just want to make sure that if you get any of the product when you press it on, if any of the product oozes around the cuticles or side walls, you do want to make sure that you remove that before curing. It's going to be more of a headache if you try and remove after curing. So you just want to make sure that that's fully cleaned up and then go in and cure. Like I said earlier, this is a clear product, so cure time, it really only takes about a good, honestly, 45 seconds, but I would say cure for a minute to a minute and 30 seconds to be on the safe side. So here's what the nails are looking like. I'm going to go in and kind of do some cleanup. So these nails are pre-shaped, so this whole shaping process takes a lot less time. If you have problem shaping like I do, I definitely recommend giving shaped full nail covers a try because they just save time and you don't have to worry about your nails being different shapes and sizes. So I'm just going in and doing just a little bit of cleanup. Basically, I'm going in with this drill bit and I'm cleaning up around the cuticle area. This is to make the cuticles sit more level, more flush. So it looks like these are my actual nails. And it's not necessary, but I just like taking this extra step to make my cuticle area really flush and make it look like, I stepped right out of a nail salon and I just have on a gel top coat on top of my nails. And I just went in with an 80/80 grit nail file and just made my nails really sharp square. And this is where you can kind of play around with it. Maybe you prefer more rounded edges. I like a more square edge look. So that's really what I'm doing, is just going in and perfecting that. And now I'm going in with this Young Nails Protein Bond. This is also another hack I have. I just use this around my cuticles because it really helps blend your cuticles and helps it become flush with your natural cuticles. So for polish, I'm using this bright pink polish by Beetles. This bright pink polish is the opacity of it is very, very amazing. One coat and you're good. I love Beetles polish because if you are an at-home nail girly, if you do your nails at home, you're not a nail tech and you're not, it's not a business, you're not doing nails on multiple people, Beetles has hands down one of the best polishes. You can purchase them on Amazon, and some of my favorite kits are linked in my Amazon storefront. But Beetles has a whole bunch of different kits where you can get 20 bottles of polish and a certain shade range, and they come in really not too small bottles, but smaller bottles. Because if you think about it, if you try and get all the OPI colors, all the, top brand colors that come in these huge bottles, unless it's a staple color, it's kind of a waste because you'll never use that full bottle in a lifetime. And like really bright, funky colors like this, like the bright greens and the bright oranges and the bright pinks, yellows, or the purples, those aren't everyday colors. And especially if you're doing your own nails, I like how it cuts down on waste and space as well, because I have probably every shade you can imagine with the Beetles polish on one like 5-tier thing, and it saves so much space. I have every color, and this polish is going to last me a long time. So I hope that makes sense. But yeah, I definitely love Beetles for that fact. So if you're in that same situation as me, then I definitely recommend going to Amazon, checking them out, and giving them a try. So you can kind of see my method for applying for applying polish. It's pretty standard. I just kind of go in and I call it the scrub method. And yeah, that's why I love YouTube, so you can see my method. But if you ever have problems applying nail polish, just take your time. You'll get the hang of it. It took me a while to really get the hang of it. Now I'm going in and topping off my nails. I'm using this Model 1's top coat. This is my absolute favorite top coat. I talk about it every single video, so I'm not going to talk about how much I love it today, but definitely check out my description box because this is available on Amazon. And if you prefer to shop on the Model 1's website directly, I also have a discount for Model 1's as well. And lastly, my favorite step, cuticle oil. You definitely want to make sure you're investing in an ultra hydrating cuticle oil. So I'm just going in, applying that to my nails. And here's the final nail look. Super cute, perfect for summer, spring. If you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll be sure to catch you in my next video. Bye!